us are feeling a little tired this morning? Anybody? Okay, so we have a little song with a dance. So I need for everybody to stand up and come to the front of the classroom. And I need for everybody to participate in this little dance.
So look at Nene?
We can pretend it is. We can pretend.
English kids. Let's get ready to count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You have to count with it.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop.
Get ready to spin.
Spin, 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 stop. Let's sing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop. I can count to 20.
Okay, good job, you guys. Good job. All right, so after that, we have a few flashcards, and as you guys know, that we have reviewed 1 through 10 pretty much, and briefly discussed 10 through 20. So I'm just going to hold up a few flashcards, and let's see which numbers you guys can recognize right off the bat. So what number would this be? 13. 7. 11. Yeah. 18. Good job. Okay, so since you guys have a pretty good grip on that, we're going to go ahead and move to our boards. So we have lima beans and we have our boards. So on the blue side, I want for you guys to go ahead and put your lima beans.
I don't love it beans are green.
Green.
I don't like to eat them.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't taste
Yours
good.
are pretty.
Thank you. All right, so we are going to practice writing our numbers, and we're going to count out the number of beans I tell you to. Okay, so let's start with a little bit of a hard number. Let's start with the number 13.
That's today. So 13.
So count out 13, and then write the number 13 on your board as well. Now you have to think about this. Whenever you write the number 13, we have to remember which way our 3 goes. So make sure you think about it before you write it. Good job.
Oh, there's another one. There's one right there too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody has the 13. And I need for somebody to raise their hand and give me a number 1 through 20. What number gives you problems, or what number is hard for you? Does anybody have any suggestions?
The number 5.
The number 5. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go. See, look. You're connecting the song. Good job.
I need this. I have another.
Oh, here you go. Yeah. 5. Good job.
My little brother's 5. Oh, no, I'm 5.
Good job. And I see that everybody got the 5 correct. Sometimes you guys get it a little confused with the stick at the top. So let's go ahead and move to a little bit bigger number. Let's go ahead and try the number 20. Who can do the number 20? So that is good. The number 20. All right. So let's see if you guys can do the number 17.
Oh, here you go. Here, I got some more. Oh, there you go.
17. Now, as you guys know, we just did the number 20. So if we wanted to get to 17, how many would we subtract from 20 to get to 17? 3. Good job. 3. Good job. All right. So I want for you guys to write an addition problem for the number 17. So this is kind of going to go with our lesson for tomorrow. I kind of just want to briefly describe it. So what would be an addition problem to get to the number 17? Can you guys write a problem on your board for me? And if you need to separate your beans in a way that gives you 2 different piles, then you can do that as well. Okay, and Tani, what numbers did you use?
16 and 1.
Good job. So that would give us 17. And Caitlin, which numbers did you decide to use?
10 and 7.
Me too. All right, now we're going to go ahead and take one more number. Who has problems with a number and wants to review it? Which number would you like to review?
How about 12?
12? All right, let's try the number 12. Alright, now this time for the number 12, I want you guys to write a subtraction problem for the number 12. So 2 numbers that subtract to give you 12. And again, if you need to use your beans, you can use those again. And Susie, which numbers did you decide to use?
I used 15 minus 3.
Okay, good job. And Katie, which numbers did you decide to use?
14 minus 2.
Okay, good job. All right, so it seems like we all understand what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So one more number that I want for you guys just to count with your beans and go ahead and write it on your board as well. Let's try the number 19. Let's do 19. Okay, you guys are awesome at this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hold up 2 different numbers, and we're going to see if you guys can add them quickly. So if I have these 2 numbers, what would they add to 18? 18. And Katie, can you count that out for us? So if you go from 10, how did you get to 18?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Good job. Good job. All right. So we are going to art today. And do you guys want to do this song one more time before we go ahead and head to art and you guys are sitting?
Sure.
Sure? All right, let's go ahead and do this song one more time. And now don't forget to use your numbers and count with the song. When you guys are ready, you can come up and stand in the front of the classroom.
Brave English kids. Let's get ready to count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
for you guys to add up all the classrooms that we pass, and let's see who can come to the correct number.